Hello, CYA directors. This is a tutorial on how to manage your calendar, add practices, add games, and also report scores. So again, you're going to have to go into your individual sport. We'll use boys basketball again. Click on a division. We'll do third and fourth, and then your calendar pops up. If we go into edit mode, then you'll be able to edit your calendar. If you want to add something, you can add it here, or if you want to go view all, that'll show you the whole calendar for the month of November. Okay. If I want to add an event, you can click add new event, or you can do it up here, add new event. Right now, you'll see that all of the teams are tagged. These tags are how information goes out on the Sports Engine app, so how coaches and parents see it. So since this practice is for one individual team, we need to remove all the teams that it's not for. So as you scroll down through the tags, find third and fourth grade, we'll say that this one practice is for Beneful. So we need to delete all the other ones, so only Beneful is tagged. Scroll down, hide tag menu, and then you can call it whatever it is. Practice, set the date. We'll say it's this Thursday, the 17th. Enter the location. You can type in Carlisle Elementary School South Gym, or you can put Carlisle Elementary here and then South Gym under location details, either way, and then create this event. And now it'll show you that individual event. If you go back to the calendar view, you'll be able to see that event there on Thursday the 17th. Now, I don't want that event to actually be there, so I'm going to delete it. Just click on the event and click on gear, delete. Okay. So then it's out of there. So this is also where you will schedule your games. It's a little bit different. There's a specific spot to schedule your games instead of just regular stuff on the calendar. So if you click on game schedule, you'll see all the games for third and fourth that are already here, December 10th, 3rd, 17th, all the way through. So these are the December 3rd games. If I want to add a new game, I click add game. And then you just pick the two teams. Team one, let's say it's Beneful, and they're the home team, and team two is Cope. And then you set, again, the date, the time, and then the location. There's some other things that you can fill out down here. You really don't need to do anything other than the two teams that are involved and the location. And then you're going to click create game. Okay, I'm not going to actually create it. As you can see, this is where the game schedule is. This is also where you will enter scores. So if you have the coaches report scores to you after their games are over, then this game between Van Wyck and Cope, click on the QS over here, and you just click that the game is final, and you put the score in, and you click save. And it will then update the score. And the nice thing too is that we have standings pages. So then when you update a score, it will update the standings as well. So that is a quick tutorial on how you manage your calendar.